all natural ways to get rid of acne fast. A whopping 85% of people worldwide are said to have acne at some point in their life. Conventional treatments get rid of pimples, but they frequently have side effects including dryness and skin irritation. Here are some natural ways to get rid of acne and keep your skin looking clean and fresh. 1. Tree tea oil is widely known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Tea tree oil therapy also has less side effects, so there is no dryness, irritation, or burning of your skin. Mix 1 teaspoon carrier oil with 1 drop of tea tree oil and apply directly to pimples using a cotton swab twice a day. 2. Along with tea tree oil, several additional essential oils have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory characteristics that can hasten the healing of acne. Cinnamon, rose, lavender, clove, rosemary, and lemongrass have all been shown to combat acne-causing bacteria. Combine 10 drops of any of these essential oil with 1 ounce of carrier oil, and apply directly to face using a cotton swab. Repeat 1 to 2 times a day, and apply moisturizer if necessary. 3. Although many people drink green tea because of its health advantages, it can also be beneficial when administered topically. Flavonoids and tannins included in green tea are believed to help prevent inflammation and acne-causing germs. There are a few green tea-based skincare products on the market, but creating your own blend at home is quite easy and affordable. Green tea should be steeped for 3 to 4 minutes in hot water, and then allowed to cool. Use a cotton ball or a spray bottle to directly apply it to your face, and leave on for as little as 10 minutes or overnight. Then, wash your face as you normally would. Repeat 1 to 2 times daily and store leftovers in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. 4. Aloe vera has demonstrated antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and wound-healing properties when applied to the skin. As a result, it's a well-liked remedy for a number of skin issues, such as psoriasis, rashes, wounds, and burns. Aloe vera helps eliminate pimples when used alone, but it works even better when paired with other treatments. With a spoon, scrape the gel off the aloe leaves and apply to face 1 to 2 times daily, or as often as needed. 5. Applying witch hazel to the skin has been demonstrated to combat germs and decrease inflammation, which aids in the prevention of pimples. Wash your face thoroughly, pat it dry with a soft cloth, and apply witch hazel before adding a moisturizing cream. 6. Apple cider vinegar's organic acids help in the killing of acne-causing bacteria and the reduction of scarring. Dilute 1 tablespoon ACV in 2 cups of water, use a cotton ball to swab the mixture gently over your skin, and then rinse. 7. Because honey and cinnamon masks have antioxidant, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory qualities, they will improve acne-prone skin when applied to your face. Simply combine Manuka honey and genuine cinnamon, microwave for 30 seconds, and then apply to your face. Allow it to stay on your face for 10 minutes, rinse, and pat dry with a clean towel. While using essential oils, green tea, and aloe vera are the quickest ways to get rid of acne, all of the natural approaches discussed today work great without the annoying side effects of store-bought treatments. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.